Most people get learning management systems wrong by assuming they are all complicated and slow, but LearnUpon actually makes online training simple and effective. Today, I'm sharing my honest usage experience after working with LearnUpon for several corporate training programs. LearnUpon is a cloud-based LMS designed for businesses of all sizes. The first thing you'll notice is the clean interface. From the dashboard, you can create courses, manage users, and track progress without feeling overwhelmed. Most people get this wrong by expecting LMS platforms to be clunky, but LearnUpon is surprisingly intuitive. Course creation is straightforward. You can upload videos, documents, quizzes, and interactive content. There's even a feature to schedule courses or assign them to specific groups. For example, I set up onboarding courses for new employees, which automatically enrolled them and tracked their completion. One of the standout features is reporting. LearnUpon provides detailed analytics on learner engagement, quiz scores, and course completion. This is invaluable for managers who want to see training effectiveness at a glance. You can also generate custom reports for different departments or training goals. The platform supports integrations with tools like Zoom, Salesforce, and Slack. This makes it easy to incorporate live sessions or link learning data to other business processes. Pricing is flexible, scaling with the number of users, which makes it suitable for both small startups and large enterprises. One limitation is that while the system is intuitive, creating highly interactive content can take time if you are new to e-learning design. However, the platform provides templates and guides to make this much easier. In conclusion, LearnUpon is a robust and user-friendly LMS that makes corporate training manageable and measurable. Its combination of course creation, automation, and analytics makes it a strong choice for businesses looking to improve learning outcomes. Subscribe for more honest software reviews to help you choose tools that actually work for your business.